Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Ashwagandha or Dalchini key fade, which is better. Please listen for clear comparisons and note any personal health questions for your doctor. I will cover key uses, typical doses, side effects, and when to choose one over the other based on goals. My goal is to make the differences simple so you can decide with confidence and talk to a healthcare professional if needed. I will explain the primary benefits of each herb, focusing on practical outcomes people notice. For stress relief and sleep support, Ashwagandha often performs better, while Dalchini shines for digestion and blood sugar control. I will describe typical ways to take each, including capsule and tea forms, and highlight important safety notes so you can choose based on your health priorities and consult a provider when necessary. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, I use leak-proof meal prep containers that make healthy eating easier and tie into choosing simple lifestyle habits that support herbs and supplements. Check the description for the link and extra deals, and if you buy, enjoy the convenience. Now let's get back to the video. I will explain common dosing ranges and safety tips in simple terms so you can be cautious. Ashwagandha doses often start low, and Dalchini is typically used in small culinary amounts or standardized extracts. I will mention key interactions like thyroid meds, sedatives, and blood thinners, and stress the importance of pregnancy and breastfeeding precautions. Always track effects and discuss changes with your healthcare provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.